Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Revlon haul, as you can tell from the title. Okay, so recently, like it was going around YouTube, the I tried a such and such or so and so's tutorial or whatever. And there's a Candy Johnson tutorial that I love, and I want to try the her makeup looks. I'm like, this would be the perfect time to go ahead and do it. Like everybody's already done them, but you know, I just didn't have time. So it's been sitting here for a while. What's the date on here? 3/4, so March 4th. So it's been here over a month. Anyway, one thing I had to get online from Amazon because I couldn't find it anywhere, and I bought all of this with at between Meijer and Walgreens when they were buy one get one 50% off. So let's just go ahead and jump in. I'm so excited to do it. Like even if I don't do a video on it, I still want to do that look because it looks so easy and so pretty, and just like it would go with anything. So, I have, like, foundation, so I'm not going to use, I didn't buy foundation, I didn't buy the primer, because I have Revlon primer. So I'm just going to go through, not in any, like, particular order, just whatever. The things I'm not going to swatch, I'll do that first. So, she used two different, mascaras. So, she used the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara. I think this is the one that she used for the bottom lashes, and this is in Blackest Black. So, there's that. And then she also used the Revlon Ultra Volume Mascara in Blackest Black. And it has the pink cap. So these are the mascaras that she used, which I need some anyway. I've been going through mine because I need to declutter mine anyways. And the last couple I tried were like so dried out and just gross. They were just, no. She also used the Revlon Colorstay 2-in-1 Angled Kajal eyeliner. And this is waterproof. For the waterline, like one end is the eyeliner and then one end has, here, one end has the, I thought this was awesome anyways, has like a smudger to smudge it into your lash line. And this is in Onyx. So yeah, here's the one end. It's a little brush. It's like a smudger, so you can just like really push it into your lash line. And the other end is a eyeliner. It has a different kind of tip. Yeah, I'm so excited to try that, especially because it's waterproof, so it should really stay in your waterline, like, amazingly. Next up, she used, for her brows, she used the Revlon Colorstay Brow Crayon. And she didn't say, it's a wax to powder finish. She didn't say what shade she got, and it says it wears up to 24 hours. So I just went ahead and got blonde. We'll go ahead and see what color this is. I think the rest of this I'll probably swatch. Okay, so this is, oh my gosh, you can really see it. So there's that. That is the shade Blonde. I don't know. We'll give it a whirl. Like I said, she didn't say what shade she used on that. Next up, I just have these Revlon nail polishes. These she did not use, but we saw these and Jay's like, oh my gosh, I like them both. So he actually told me to get them both. So I got number 100 Hologasm, instead of like holographic, and number 115 Fairy Dust. This one's like a holographic silver, and then one's like a holographic like teal green. So pretty. So I got those. She did not use those though. This she did use. This is the Revlon Photoready Insta-Fix stick. And this is, I think it's like almost like a concealer foundation. I'm not really sure. Because she like kind of put it on her like red spots and stuff like that. I'm trying to get it open. Come on. I don't have any nails. They're all so short. Okay, so here it is. I'm not sure. I think they did, because this is the shade Nude. I think they did have, so it's kind of like a foundation or a concealer stick. You can see it right there. So you just kind of put it wherever and then just kind of blend it out with a beauty blender. So I got that. I also picked up the Revlon Insta-Blush, and this is in 310 Candy Kiss. And she said she likes this one because she likes to have anything that has candy in the name. I love Candy Johnson. I love her. If I ever met her, I don't even know. I don't even know. Like, I freak out when she comments back to me, like on Instagram and on Facebook and YouTube. So, okay. So here is the blush stick. So that's a nice pretty pinky blush. And she put this on first, and then she put the powdered blush on it. So I'll go ahead and show you the powdered blush, which is number 001. It's called Oh Baby Pink. So we'll open this little guy up. Maybe. Sometimes trying to open makeup packages is just like the most impossible feat. I love drugstore, and I love, because like a lot of the ones I saw, like where people were doing oh my gosh, I followed a so-and-so's tutorial, like it was all high-end stuff, like things that are like super expensive. Like who can do that? Not the average everyday person. So here is the pink blush. Like I said, she just kind of put it on top of the blush stick. So there's the blush. And she also used this Revlon Photoready Insta-Fix highlighting stick, and this is in the shade 200 Pink Light. And I don't remember them having different shades of highlighter stick. I think they just had like one. So I don't even know if I look at that. Look how pretty that is. Ooh. Look at that highlighter. I'm like the world's worst swatcher. I say it in like any video that I swatch. That is so pretty. So excited. So there's that. And then for eyeshadow, she used 3 different eyeshadows. Well, 3 different of these little pot eyeshadows. What are these called? Revlon Colorstay Creme eyeshadow. So this is number 745. Does it have a color name or just the number? Oh, 745, which is Cherry Blossom. Oh, so if I take this off, I'm not going to have the color name. No, because it's not on the bottom. It's only on... That's alright, because like on the display it had the numbers anyway. So anyway. Oh my gosh. How many times am I going to say anyway in this video? Come on already. Okay. 745 Cherry Blossom. How do you open it? Oh, look! The little brush tucks into the bottom. I think she actually used one of the brushes. Okay, so here's this one. Let's see. Ooh, they feel really good. I've never tried these, I don't think. I've tried other brands of them. We'll just put it up here, like on my hand. So it's a really light pink. Like a frosty pink. So she used that one. And she also used number 750, which is... vanilla. It looks like frosting. It really does look like frosting in here. Did I even show you the pink one like inside? I'm sorry. So there's what the pink one looks like in the jar, in the pot. And then here's the 750 vanilla. So it's a frosty white. These feel so silky. I wonder if this would even work as a highlighter. So there's that one. I'll put it right beside the pink. So there's that. Ooh, hoo, hoo, look at that. So pretty. And then the last one of the pots that she used was number, I already opened this, 740. Oh, so it doesn't, I already unwrapped it, so I don't have a color name. I just have the color. It's not on there. This doesn't have the cream eyeshadow on it. Or it does, but it doesn't have the number. Anyway, it's number 740, and it is so pretty. It's like a shimmery, purpley gray. There's like a little crack in it. Look at that. Ooh, I like that. Ooh! Look how pretty that is. So pretty. I miss doing makeup videos. And I'm going to get back into it. Which a lot of you have requested anyways. So yeah, so there's that. And then as far as the eyeshadows, she had 2 different little palettes. This one is the Revlon Photoready Primer Shadow Sparkle. And this is in the shade 520 Watercolors. So it has a bunch of, hold on, a bunch of different colors in here. It's like there's eyeshadow trios, eyeshadow duos, eyeshadow quads. What are the ones with 5? Oh, so it has 2 little brushes in it, 2 makeup brushes. Is that magnetic? Oh no. So what the heck? So it has 2 brushes in it. Here are the colors. Like I said, this is Watercolors. And it shows to put this as number 1, so it'd be step 1. This is number 2. So they're numbered. Let's see. 1. I'm not going to swatch them that way. I'm just going to swatch them the way they are in here. There's that one. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that looks like holographic because it has... Okay. So here... Look, that one looks holographic. It does in the thing. Okay. My arm. Like, okay, what about there? Okay, so here's the top one. I'm doing like this. There you go. There's that one. The next one down. Like, I'm trying to use my viewfinder, but it's so small. Okay. We'll figure this out, guys. Because it's been a while. It's been a long while. Here's this one. It's like a frosty purple. Here's this, like, shimmery shade. And then the last one is this little pink square in here. Which actually just kind of looks like glitter. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see those on my arm, but they're super pretty. Wow, what a fiasco. What an ordeal just to show you some swatches. Those look kind of powdery. Like, there's quite a bit of kick up. Kick up, kick back, whatever. I've heard it called both. And then the next, oh my gosh, I had to find room for one more. The next eyeshadow is this Revlon Colorstay quad, and this is in the shade 526 Romantic. So here's what it looks like. I said this is just a quad. So here's the colors in there. Don't know where the heck I'm going to put these at. We'll go my wrist. So here's like a frosty pink. Here is the lighter silver. You probably can't even see these because I suck at swatches. Here is the brownish shade. Ooh, that's pretty. And then here is the... Wow, that one's really pigmented. So there those are on my wrist. Oh. And then she used 2 different lip liners, and the one I already have, I think it was Revlon Nude, I'm pretty sure. And then she used, this one is Revlon Colorstay lip liner in soft pink. I'm pretty sure that I didn't already have this one. So it's the Twist Up. I must have moved. Yeah, I just seemed loose in there. So it's just a light soft pink lip liner. And then the lip colors that she used look so pretty. And make sure I'm still recording. My luck, I'm not. So this one is number... Do these have numbers? Yeah, number 640, Embrace. And these are the matte colors. So here's... We'll just do it right here down my hand. So here's Embrace. And then the last one... Ooh! These smell good. The last one is number 630, Seduction. Here's this one. We'll put it right beside it so you can see the difference. So there you go. So if you'd like to see how I use these in a video where I follow one of Candy Johnson's... I'm a disaster. What can I say? If you've been with my channel, you already know I'm just all over the place. If you want to see how I use these, following a Candy Johnson tutorial to get a beautiful look that I absolutely love, then go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on it. Click the little bell so you'll get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, keep an eye out for that video. Hopefully I'll be doing it tonight, maybe tomorrow. That's the plan. But yeah, I'm going to go clean off my arm of swatches. And I thank you so much for watching. And for all of you that keep requesting that I do makeup videos again and get ready with me's, they're coming. Okay, they're coming. So our story times, so our healthy grocery hauls and healthy mukbangs and ASMR videos, because my diet starts in 2 days. And yeah, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you, Revlon, for making such beautiful colors. Like, I cannot wait to try this look. I wish some of them were easier to find. Like, I could go to one store and get them all, but that's alright. I went to a couple stores. I had to order on Amazon. I think it was this one that I had to get on Amazon. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is the one I had to get on Amazon. The romantic quad. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!